This is Liberty stock number 50797, which is an Eldorado M75-1041, 3/4 by 30-inch stroke, single spindle gun drilling machine, equipped with Eldorado F18 high pressure coolant system. Machine serial number is 998.
It is. Well, we're looking at it. Come on in on it. We'll take a look around. Pop the panel open. Currently under power. Lights are on. Down low, and then go down here. Got the front panel. Got the again the Barreltech drive. Standard cabinet. One of the main differences on this machine is they did put a Hitachi drive on here, so there's a spindle drive on here, which is kind of nice, really. So, in fact, I think it's open. Here, you take a look at it. And I didn't really put the laser on there, but they're using 5 or 6 pre-selects on there too, which is really nice. So really the spindle speeds are infinite on this thing, because you still have your pulleys here with the belts, and pretty much can leave that alone, I would suspect, to just use the pre-selects off the drive. So that's there. We'll play with that while we're running a cycle. Motor's top side, of course, flow minder, whole air package for the spindle oiler. It's all down low here. Servo. High pressure. We'll walk around. There's not much more on the back side. Let's see. You want to come through here. Quick peek in the panel. Pretty standard. 1 terminal board, 1 starter. Filtration. What's your step? I got my 480 temp line on the floor.
Thank you.
480 volts. The whole interface for the coolant system, again, is hanging right here. The yellow, all the yellow wire. That's just all goes back to the that panel. There's a chip chute sitting over there. The bellows are back, and like I said, the tooling's we just got it sitting. This one was tooled up, but I don't have the bushing for it right here, so it starts whipping really bad. So that said, we can do the feed jog right away. Let me get out of auto. Feed forward. Feed back. Back. It's full out, of course, and I'm right around now 201 for what I don't know how it's calibrated, but it's just feed. I just look at it and kind of get a feel for what we got here. That's 2. I go a couple more clicks up to 4. That's really ripping. And I'll slow it down maybe to 1 here. Is that where? Yeah, it's real slow. You can almost kind of see the screw moving. So that's that. And I can send it back, and yeah, maybe move it up 1 click to 2, just for the sake of doing an auto cycle. We do have the coolant on there. That should come on automatically anyhow, and that's about it. I'm going to put an auto continuous spindle I have off, and I'm going to cycle start, and we go. I'm just going to run 1 cycle real quick, and then we'll play with the spindle speed maybe on the next cycle. So, oh, that's right, I didn't jog it up. Let's get off of auto. I'll just jog it. This is the lowest setting on the Hitachi drive right here. And again, I didn't put the gun on it. I know what the RPMs are, but they're infinite. So that's that. That's the speed we'll start at. I'm gonna go back into auto, and I'll jack it up maybe 2 or 3 notches. I don't have the airline on right now. The oiler does work. I had it on for a while, but just for a short period of time, we can run it. In fact, I can do it right now. You'll hear the difference if I bring it up a little bit. This next setting. 1 more. It's really humming. Yeah, the XL and decel rates on the drive are set pretty nice. As you can see, it stops. I'll start up at the same speed and then lower it down as we're going again. Looks like all 3,000-4,000, maybe more. Bring it down 1. And That's a nice speed. Like I said, I don't want to run it too high without the oil. So that's looking good. You good, or do you want another one?
It's good.
All right. That's pretty much it.
Thank you.
Sure.